Good morning, everybody. 5-minute trader here. It is November 8th. It's a little after 10 a.m. Eastern. I was hoping to get to the markets a little earlier today. It didn't work out. Kiddos have been off school this week, and the house was a complete wreck. So I had to go in and tidy some stuff up. But let's jump right in. What did we do yesterday? We opened up some UNG, I think, and I closed a bunch of trades and rolled a bunch of trades yesterday. But let's see where we're at. So I'm sorting my ETF list by percentage change. And we've got, looks like a down move in EWZ. That's Brazil. There's a position open in Brazil, I think, at the 7-day, but still out of the money. So I'm going to leave that a few more days. I want to get a little bit less than 10 cents. So even with a big down move, it's still doing fine. Let's look where EWZ is at. It's at 27.5. Let's look out in the 42-day, see if there's anything to trade here. So the 29 delta, that would collect you 65 cents. If I did that, I'd get 65 cents over, or $65, I should say, over 42 days for $2,500 max loss. So 63 divided by 3.37. So it's not bad. It's like, it's an okay trade. The IV rank is high, but the implied volatility itself is not particularly high. So probably not anything to do there. TBT down, which means TLT must be up again. Gold, the metals, they were down one day, right? And then they came back up. Now it looks like they're down again. I have a position in there. And it's still out of the money, so I'm going to leave it. But let's take a look here. You know, overall, the metals are high, but it's an unusual down move for the metals. Are the equities up? See, the equities aren't up that much today. Spiders, diamonds, IWM, and QQQ, they're pretty flat. But gold is down, so it could be an interesting trade in there. I know the other day we talked, I think I talked about, was it GDX having? Yeah, I opened a trade in GDX, 37. So where's the 30 delta now? 30 delta still at 37, so it's right in the same spot. So it could be another potentially good day to get in on gold. So that's $80 over 40 days. So 82 divided by $3,600 worth of risk. It's not bad. It's not great either. Let's look at GDX, since that's down the most. Sometimes I look for like what if there's similar ETFs like GDXJ, GDX, and GLD are pretty similar in that they are tracking the value of gold. And I'm like, you know what, they're down. I might want to sell a put in there. I'll go through each one and see which one I get the most reward for risk, right? So if we go with a 33 delta in GDX, that collects $134. So it's collecting more money, but it's also more risk, right? 45.67 is the max loss on that. 4.567. But it is a better trade. It's like a 0.3. So if I was going to sell, I already have positions on in metals, so I'm not going to open any new ones. But if I were going to open a position in metals today, I would open one in GDXJ. Right here, GDXJ, and I'd be able to get it down at, where's the 30? So if it's a 46, that's a 26 delta. It's way down here. As long as it stays at or above 40, that 46 or so, maybe a little bit less because you're making money on the trade too. That could be a good trade. Emerging markets, they were up and now they're down. How's my position doing there? Oh, that's actually good for me. I forgot I had the Jade Lizard in there. So yesterday it was testing this upper side of the Jade Lizard. The Jade Lizard, to make its max money, you really want the price to be like smack in the middle. It's almost like kind of like Iron Condor-ish in its function. But that's good news for my Jade Lizard. But this could be another day to look at the emerging markets as a potential trade. UNG, finally had a bounce. UNG's been bouncing around. Like these underlyings that they're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's great for selling options. I got one position at the money there. I got 2 positions at the money, but they'll be getting a little safer with it bouncing up today. So that's good. That's good news. So UNG, the natural gas, is still something to keep an eye on. Not much going on in the markets here, but it looks like today potentially good trades could be trading EWZ might be good. What do we say? GDXJ, and that's probably about it. Yeah. All right. So looks like Brazil, emerging markets, and gold are probably the ones to open up trades on today. Going to check my other positions quick in my retirement accounts, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.